25 Ways to Lose Weight Naturally. The 25 ways to lose weight naturally are as follows. Start the day by drinking water. The body is typically dehydrated upon waking up, which the body interprets as being hungry, causing people to overeat. Hence, drinking water first thing in the morning can reduce hunger. Drinking water before meals reduces food intake because water fills up the stomach. Drinking adequate water and staying hydrated helps in overall health as well. Eating a healthy and heavy breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Calories consumed during breakfast get burned easily compared with the rest of the meals. High fiber diet. Including a high portion of the fiber in the diet helps in digestion and helps achieve early satiety, feeling of fullness. A high fiber diet includes fruits and vegetables. Eating whole grains. Whole grains include brown rice, brown pasta, and brown bread. They are more nutritious than their more processed counterparts, help achieve early satiety, help in feeling full longer, and reduce hunger. Increase protein and decrease carbohydrates. Protein has a thermic effect than carbs or fat. High protein increases metabolism, increases the number of calories burnt, and builds metabolism. Intermittent fasting. Any form of fasting helps in weight loss because of the reduction in the calorie content. There are 3 methods of intermittent fasting, namely, alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and daily time restricted feeding. The most effective method of intermittent fasting is something that can be easily maintained, based on the individual's daily routine. The 8-hour window for eating is commonly recommended. For example, if a meal is being eaten at 6 p.m. in the evening, the next meal should be taken at 10 a.m. the next day. The individual can eat from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., 8-hour window for eating, and fast from 6 p.m. to 10 a.m. Adding good fats to the diet. Healthy or good fats get burned and do not get stored in the body. Good fat foods that can help with weight loss are salmon, avocados, and coconut oil. Napping instead of snacking. Taking a short power nap of even 15 minutes can help energize and refresh oneself more than a sugar rush. While feeling hungry, taking a quick snooze, or even going on a brisk walk can kill hunger pangs. Eating nutritious snacks. Eating healthy snacks such as fruit or roasted nuts, celery and hummus, roasted zucchinis, etc. prevents from overeating during meals. Healthy, low-calorie snacks do not affect the weight loss process. Replacing sugar with honey. Honey can be used as a natural sweetener in juices, teas, and desserts. Reducing the salt content of food. Salt causes water retention, resulting in bloating. Steaming, grilling, or air frying foods instead of frying. This reduces oil consumption. Healthy oils such as olive oil may be used for cooking. Drinking coffee to fight hunger. Studies have shown that caffeine reduces appetite. Caffeine also has additional benefits such as boosting energy and improving one's mood. It is advised to drink dark brewed coffee or coffee with fat-free milk to avoid the intake of excess calories. Reducing sugar intake. Sugar intake should be reduced as much as possible by avoiding desserts, sodas, and commercial fruit drinks because they contain more sugar than fruit. Drinking lemon water. Drinking lemon water may reduce fat absorption, reduce cholesterol, and aid digestion. Using apple cider vinegar as a salad dressing. Apple cider vinegar is believed to reduce fat. Additionally, it boosts metabolism. Drinking herbal teas. Drinking herbal teas such as green tea helps boost metabolism and aids in digestion. Cooking at home and reducing eating out. Preparing healthy meals at home and reducing eating out help consume smaller portions and reduce calorie consumption. Reducing alcohol consumption. Reducing alcohol consumption reduces calorie intake and fluid retention in the body. Doing meditation or yoga. Chronic stress increases the hormone cortisol, also called corticosteroids or the stress hormone. This hormone causes weight gain. Yoga, meditation, or doing activities outdoors for 30 to 60 minutes a day can reduce stress, in turn reducing cortisol and helping weight loss. Being constantly active. Being active doesn't necessarily mean going to the gym. It could just be moving around at work or home, especially after meals, or doing a few occasional squats. Walking or cycling instead of driving and taking the stairs instead of the elevator. This is a good way of incorporating physical activity to the daily routine, without taking time out of a busy schedule. Exercising. Exercise can be of various types, such as high-intensity workouts, swimming, running, and lifting weights. Lifting weights builds the muscle and burns fat. It is important to stick to an exercise regime and be consistent to see results. Dance. Dancing or dance aerobics such as Zumba is a fun way to burn calories compared with sweating out doing intensive exercises. High-intensity interval training. HIIT is an effective way to reduce abdominal and subcutaneous fat for those with higher exercise tolerance.